started Tramonto Circuits in 2008 because we thought we could do things better in two particular areas: quality and on-time delivery. We started it simply as a circuit board flexible circuit company and grew our offerings since then. Well, Tramonto Circuits began as a flex circuit company only, and we quickly realized that our customers were going to want to be able to purchase circuit boards, traditional circuit boards from us, and they required assembly too, and they wanted it done by the same company. Over the years, traditional circuit boards, circuit board assembly, circuit board design, as well as box build and functional test and that sort of thing. We take on-time delivery and overall quality ratio very, very seriously. Our on-time delivery is over 99% almost every year. And the other thing is our overall quality ratio, that's in the high 99% every year. We inspect everything. We keep returns down, our quality is high, and our on-time delivery is high. Once we receive a purchase order in after the quotation process has been gone through, we create assembly instructions, do a design for manufacturer on the design, state back to the customer what their delivery date is going to be, and then we keep in contact with them pretty regularly throughout that process. And once they're done with the assembly process, they go through inspection, and then they ship out again on time, every time. Actually, with a wide range of industries currently: aerospace, automotive, medical, consumer, telecommunications, and industrial. There's only a couple that we don't deal with, and that's military and DoD.